So this is your living space. You can see it's quite spacious. So this is the kitchen. You might be wondering why. So this is our very spacious master bedroom, as you can see. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of the Canary Sky Oasis, which is located near Sai Chowk, Patil Nagar, Balewadi, Pune, and is developed by the Kunal Group. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office you get the Sky Oasis road that directly connects you to the Balewadi road. But before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 4.25 acre of land parcel having 4 towers, in which you will be getting 2 basement plus ground plus 32 floors having 3 BHK and 4 BHK duplex premium residencies. This project is located near Sai Chowk, Patil Nagar, Balewadi, Pune, जिसकी कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है एडिगॉन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल which is 2.8 kilometers away, Balewadi Fata which is 3.2 kilometers away, and Bane Road which is 4.5 kilometers away. Now, let me tell you about the amenities of this project with the help of Project's 3D model. This project has over 30 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, banquet hall, gym, squash court, tennis court, yoga room, sit-out area and kids play area. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of our 3 BHK sample flat which has 1442 square feet carpet area. So this is our entrance, where just at the entrance you get a video door phone and a digital door lock to your door for security purposes, and then this is your entrance's lobby where you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now let us check out our living and dining space. So this is your living space. You can see it's quite spacious even with the furniture, and it will be quite spacious for you. And this is where you get your couch setup space and you get your TV unit setup space right in front of it with an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railing and is 3-side cover. Now let me show you the dining space. So this is our extremely vast dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let us check out our first bedroom of this flat. But before I show you that, let me tell you that just at the entrance of your first bedroom you get a common washroom which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles, shower glass partition. So this is our first bedroom. As you can see, this is the area of your first bedroom, and this is where you get your bed setup space with an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. Now let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is the kitchen. You might be wondering why it's so dark. Let me tell you the most special feature about this kitchen first. You get an attached sunroof lighting from the builder's side which you can turn on with this remote switch, and it also has a various different features where you can either put it on sunrise, sunset or an afternoon mode according to your mood lighting, and you can increase or decrease the lighting of this light with the remote switch. And you also get an L-shaped granite platform. This is a completely modular kitchen will be provided to you from the builder's side, and you also get a sink attached to your platform with a dry balcony attached to it, and also a sink where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. Now, let me show you the second bedroom of this flat. But before we check out the bedroom space, let me tell you that you get an attached washroom to it just at the entrance of your bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. This is a second bedroom space. You can see it's a little spacious, to be honest. And then this is your bed setup space, and you also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. Now, before we check out our master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now, let us check out our third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat. So this is our very spacious master bedroom. As you can see, this is your bedroom space, and then this is where you can set up your bed, and you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. You also get an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the Canary Sky Oasis, which is located near Sai Chowk, Patil Nagar, Balewadi, Pune, and is developed by Kunal Group. To know more about this project, click on the link below to download your e-brochure and price sheet. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.